Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm your host Mohit and you are watching the Webguruz channel. The world is getting digital at a pace never imagined. There's a race between businesses to get ahead and earn as much profit as they can. But there are a host of techniques and strategies being used to do so. The most popular being SEO or search engine optimization. You must have watched our previous videos on SEO where we have discussed several ways you can ace it. If you haven't yet, you'll find the links mentioned in the description down below. Please watch them. Coming back to SEO, there are both legitimate and illegitimate ways to conquer the digital space. And this video is going to be focused on them. If you're a business owner or someone who owns a website or a blog, you must have heard of or read about SEO, which you might already know is the practice of optimizing your website to rank higher in the search engine results pages, or SERPs as you call them, for relevant keywords. Now that's only surface level. What's important to notice, you can practice SEO in two ways, Whitehead and BlackHat. What is Whitehead SEO, you ask? Whitehead SEO refers to the ethical, legitimate and search engine approved methods used to improve a website's search engine rankings. Now, when I say search engine approved, I mean optimizing content and creating a user experience in accordance with the guidelines set forth by the search engine. Since the primary goal of Whitehead SEO is to create valuable, user-friendly and relevant content, you must focus on meeting the needs of search engine users, which is quite naturally and logically the right thing to do. Now, if that's white, what's black? BlackHat SEO, as they call it, is the opposite of Whitehead SEO. It involves using unethical, manipulative and spammy techniques to improve a website's search engine ranking quickly. And that's what used to lure people into approaching it, the time thing. No one wants to wait, but when it comes to offering value, patience and hard work is the right thing to do. BlackHat SEO may offer short-term and quick results, but it is not a sustainable strategy in the long run. It can result in severe penalties from search engines and can even lead to website being banned altogether. So avoid it the best you can. Now, how exactly these two stand apart? BlackHat and Whitehead SEO differ in terms of techniques being used and the kinds of results you get. Techniques used, as I already mentioned, Whitehead SEO is focused solely on creating high quality, valuable content that meets the needs of search engine users. These techniques can include keyword research, on-page optimization, quality content creation, and link building. On the other hand, BlackHat SEO is focused on manipulating search engine algorithms to achieve higher rankings quickly. These techniques include excessive keyword stuffing and link building, cloaking, link spamming, using hidden text and links, and other sneaky tactics, which aren't going to help at all. Long-term versus short-term results. Whitehead SEO is a long-term strategy that aims to build sustainable, long-lasting results. It may take long to see results, but these results are usually higher quality traffic and more conversions, which is everyone's ultimate goal, including mine. BlackHat SEO may offer short-term results, but it comes with many risks and dangers that are not worth taking. It can result in severe penalties from search engines and may kill your reputation and severely impact your progress over time. User focus versus search engine focus approach. Whitehead SEO can help you build a loyal audience by improving your website's authority and credibility in the eyes of both users and search engines. There you are, killing two birds with a single stone. BlackHat SEO, on the other hand, is focused on manipulating search engine algorithms, which will lead to poor quality content which holds zero value to users and can attract penalties from search engines. So it's nothing else than putting yourself into trouble. Which one is better? Long story short, Whitehead SEO is always better. While BlackHat SEO may seem like a shortcut to achieving higher rankings quickly, it comes with many risks and dangers that are not worth taking at all. I repeat, not worth taking at all. Whitehead SEO is a safer and more sustainable strategy that aims to create value for users and improve a website's authority and credibility in the eyes of search engines. It may take longer to see results, but the results are usually long-lasting and lead to higher quality traffic and more conversions. So, I hope the differences between Whitehead and BlackHat SEO are now clear to you. Remember, Whitehead SEO focuses on creating value for users, while BlackHat comes with many risks and dangers. Moreover, if you want to build a successful and sustainable online presence, it's best to focus on Whitehead SEO and avoid the temptations that come with BlackHat. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you like our videos, give them a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and spread the word. I'll see you later in a new video. Till then, good luck.